Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance photography with the brand new Nikon Z80, a camera that's poised to redefine what we know about mirrorless technology. If you're a photography aficionado or just curious about the latest in camera innovation, stick around as we explore everything this powerhouse has to offer. First up, let's talk design. The Nikon Z80 features a robust yet lightweight body that promises both durability and comfort. With its magnesium alloy build, this camera feels solid in your hands, perfect for those extended shooting sessions. The weather-sealed construction ensures that you can take it out in various conditions without worrying about environmental factors. What really sets the Nikon Z80 apart is its versatility. Whether you're capturing sweeping cityscapes, intimate portraits, or breathtaking nature shots, this camera has you covered. The Z80 boasts a 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers stunning detail and vibrant colors, making every shot a masterpiece. Navigating through the Nikon Z80's features is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive touchscreen interface. The 3.2-inch LCD display provides clear, bright visuals, and the customizable menu system allows you to tailor the camera settings to your shooting style. Whether you're adjusting ISO, aperture, or shutter speed, the Z80 ensures that every control is at your fingertips. For those fast-paced moments, the Nikon Z80 doesn't disappoint. With its advanced hybrid autofocus system, you get precise, quick focus across the frame. And if you're into capturing high-speed action, the 10 frames per second burst mode ensures you never miss a crucial moment. Combine that with 4K UHD video recording, and you've got a camera that's ready for anything. When it comes to connectivity, the Z80 keeps you connected with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Transfer your photos seamlessly to your devices, or use the camera's remote shooting feature to control it from your smartphone. It's all about making your workflow as smooth as possible. So there you have it. The Nikon Z80 is not just another mirrorless camera, it's a game changer in the world of photography. With its powerful features, sleek design, and intuitive controls, it's a tool that can elevate your creative vision to new heights. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the Nikon Z80. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep shooting and stay inspired. See you in the next video.